Well, gentlemen, this is obviously a huge concern for many Americans, and thank you so much for joining us today to shed some light on it. Now, we move to another health topic that's also vital to millions, and that's skincare. And with us today is one of the country's top dermatologists, Dr. Doris Day. So, Dr. Day, what are some of the latest trends and innovations we can expect to see in skincare this year?
Well, with the new year, we find that just around the holidays, we tend to give a lot of ourselves. We may not sleep as much as we like, and we're starting to feel like we're looking a little run down and tired. And that doesn't really give anyone the impetus to keep those New Year's resolutions. So the really good news is that no matter where you're at and how much damage you've had in your skin, there are great treatments that you can have that will jumpstart that new you. Treatments that may be combinations of things like Ultherapy, that is FDA approved for lifting and tightening the skin, along with lasers and other treatments like Botox and fillers that can combined help you look your best and get you on the path to also those other resolutions to live a healthier lifestyle as well.
Now, how do you know if you're a candidate for a skin do-over, and what procedures do you recommend?
Well, it's really important to see a board-certified, trained aesthetic physician like a dermatologist or plastic surgeon. I always say one size fits none. You need to see someone who will look at your specific concerns and what your situation is and help you prioritize as to the best treatments for you. But non-surgical approaches go a very long way these days, and what that means is that they have minimal to no downtime and the results are very natural. And some of the treatments, like I mentioned, are combining different treatments like the devices with Ultherapy and lasers, along with skincare and treatments like our tried and true Botox cosmetic, which is really one of my favorite treatments because it is very safe and it's very powerful and reliable. But with any of these treatments, they have their risks. And so you need to know that you're actually getting the product that you think you're getting and that the doctor answers the questions to your satisfaction. And if you even beyond that have any questions or doubts, have them show you the bottle, because there are identifiers on these that will let you know that you're getting the actual product you think you are. So these treatments are not where you cut corners. You prioritize, you save up, and you do them right, and the results are natural and lasting.
Now, Dr. Day, do you have any cost-cutting tips for viewers with regards to skincare?
What I tell my patients is that this is what we're going to put on your plate, and then we'll decide together how we're going to eat. And so we optimize based on what will give the best results for what we're doing at the cost. And then you combine that with things like skincare. And I'm a big drugstore girl. There are such great products at your local drugstore that are affordable and accessible that will make a difference in your skin. And so by combining these different things, and don't forget, there's two different parts of this. There's the enhancement that may take a little bit more effort and might be a little bit more expensive to start up. But then the maintenance is much easier. It's less often just tweaks, and when it's done well and properly, knowing that the product is what you think it is, then you will have the best results, and it will be much more cost effective and longer lasting. And people will just tell you look great, but they won't be able to tell that you've had anything done at all. You just look your best, and that's all we're really looking for, is to be the best version of you.
And is there anything we should do after the procedure to maintain our look? And is there a website viewers should head to for more information?
So after the procedure, skincare is important. Look for retinols, niacinamide, peptides, other antioxidants, all available at your local drugstore products. I stick to big brand names. Website, you can go to myclearskin.com. There's videos and lots of information on these products and treatments there for you.
Great information, Dr. Day. Thanks for joining us today.